Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to delete friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and launch Snapchat application on your phone. Once the app opens up, click on your profile at the upper left corner. Now scroll down and then tap on the My Friends option to view your list of friends. I only have 2 friends at the moment. Now find the friend you want to delete and press and hold on their name. Now from here, tap on Manage Friendship. A menu will appear with several options. Now from the options that appear, select Remove Friend to delete your friend. If you want to block the friend, then you can go ahead and select the block option. Now a confirmation message will pop up and tap Remove to confirm that you want to remove this friend. Once you have completed these steps, the friend will be removed from your list and they will no longer be able to send you snaps or view your stories. In case if you change your mind and want to add them back as your friend, you'll need to send them a new friend request. So this way you can delete friends on Snapchat. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.